Okay, here it is. It's my box of crap that wasn't due until next week. Came in early today, and a big surprise. It's 7.5 pounds of spooky crap delicious stuff. Here we go. Oh, I see something that looks like a giant remote control. It is, hell if I know, Numeric Keypad Plus. Anybody know what that is? It's got 18 full key features, whatever it is. iPod Nano headphones. Doo-doo-doo-doo. If I ever get an iPod. Oh, it's Barbie art thingy. Not one, but 2 Barbie art thingies. Yay! I will have so much fun with those, I am sure. Look at this, a 2010 desk calendar. Brain game. 2. 3 of these puppies. Wow, I'm impressed. And a fact or crap. Not one, but 2 of these. And last but not least is the crappy gold gym fitness tote. What a fantastic crapalicious crap this was. Someday I'll figure out what this is and might find it worth $8. There you go, folks. Crap.